Hydrogen is expanding faster than ever before. Around the world, governments, developers, equipment manufacturers, investors, and industrial companies are announcing new projects almost every week. Yet finding reliable engineering information remains surprisingly difficult. Critical project data is scattered across reports, technical papers, government publications, financial models, and countless websites. Engineers spend hours searching for information, investors struggle to compare projects, and developers often rebuild the same analyses from scratch. Instead of accelerating innovation, fragmented information slows decision-making and increases project risk. The hydrogen economy doesn't just need more projects. It needs a better way to organize engineering intelligence. Imagine bringing every important piece of hydrogen knowledge into one connected platform. H2Hub was created to become that engineering intelligence network. Rather than focusing on a single tool, it combines global project information, technology databases, market intelligence, engineering references, financial modeling, AI-powered analysis, and technical resources into one integrated workspace. Whether you're designing a green hydrogen plant, evaluating investment opportunities, researching equipment, or studying emerging technologies, the platform connects information that traditionally exists in separate locations. Instead of searching across dozens of websites, users can work from a single engineering environment built specifically for hydrogen. The future of engineering is no longer limited to static spreadsheets and isolated documents. Modern hydrogen projects generate enormous amounts of technical information, from process design and equipment specifications to operating data, financial assumptions, and performance models. H2Hub brings these elements together using intelligent digital workflows that help engineers visualize complete systems instead of disconnected components. By combining engineering knowledge with AI-assisted analysis, digital twins, and integrated project information, complex infrastructure becomes easier to understand, evaluate, and optimize. Better information leads directly to better engineering decisions throughout the project lifecycle. Every successful hydrogen project depends on thousands of engineering decisions. Selecting electrolyzers, estimating production costs, evaluating infrastructure, comparing technologies, understanding policies, and identifying market opportunities all influence long-term success. H2Hub provides these capabilities through a unified engineering workspace where project intelligence, financial analysis, technical documentation, and global market data work together. Instead of simply storing information, the platform transforms engineering knowledge into practical decision support tools that help reduce uncertainty while improving project quality, efficiency, and investment confidence. Traditional engineering software typically solves one problem at a time. One application performs simulations, another stores documents, another models economics, while project databases exist somewhere else entirely. H2Hub approaches the problem differently by connecting these capabilities into one continuous engineering ecosystem. Global project databases, engineering intelligence, financial analytics, AI advisory tools, technology libraries, and market insights operate together inside a single environment. The result is a platform designed not only to organize hydrogen information, but to help engineers, developers, researchers, and investors make faster, smarter, and more informed decisions. The platform opens with a centralized dashboard that immediately summarizes the information engineers need most. Users can monitor project activity, explore global developments, review financial indicators, analyze market trends, and access AI recommendations without switching between multiple applications. Interactive visualizations simplify complex engineering information while maintaining technical accuracy. Instead of spending valuable time collecting data, professionals can begin analyzing projects almost immediately. The dashboard becomes the command center for hydrogen intelligence, helping users move quickly from information gathering to informed engineering decisions. Hydrogen projects rely on many interconnected technologies, each with different capabilities, efficiencies, and operating requirements. Electrolyzers, fuel cells, compressors, storage systems, cryogenic equipment, pipelines, ammonia infrastructure, and water treatment all play critical roles. H2Hub organizes these technologies into an engineering library where users can compare systems, understand applications, and explore equipment within its broader process context. Rather than viewing technologies in isolation, engineers gain a systems-level understanding that improves equipment selection, project design, and long-term operational planning. Hydrogen development is happening across every major region of the world. New production facilities, transportation infrastructure, export terminals, industrial hubs, and research projects continue to reshape the global energy landscape. H2Hub's interactive project database allows users to visualize these developments geographically while exploring project status, technology choices, capacity, developers, and market trends. Seeing projects on a global map provides valuable perspective that individual reports cannot deliver, helping users identify regional opportunities, emerging markets, and technology adoption patterns more effectively. Artificial intelligence becomes most valuable when it enhances engineering expertise rather than replacing it. H2Hub's AI Project Advisor evaluates technical data, project assumptions, financial models, market conditions, and engineering inputs to generate intelligent recommendations. It can identify optimization opportunities, compare technology pathways, highlight potential risks, and support engineering decisions with structured analysis. By combining human expertise with AI-assisted intelligence, project teams gain deeper insights while reducing the time required to evaluate increasingly complex hydrogen infrastructure projects. Technical excellence alone does not guarantee project success. Hydrogen facilities must also achieve strong financial performance through careful evaluation of capital cost, operating expenses, electricity pricing, financing assumptions, production efficiency, and long-term revenue potential. H2Hub integrates techno-economic modeling directly into the engineering workflow, allowing users to analyze levelized cost of hydrogen, internal rate of return, net present value, payback period, and sensitivity scenarios within the same environment. This combination of engineering and financial intelligence supports more confident investment and project development decisions. Hydrogen generates an enormous volume of technical reports, research papers, policy documents, and market studies every year. While these publications contain valuable knowledge, finding relevant information quickly can be difficult. H2Hub organizes this growing body of information into searchable engineering intelligence that supports practical decision-making rather than simple document storage. Users can access curated resources, compare technical findings, and connect research directly to real-world project development. The result is a knowledge platform that transforms information into actionable engineering insight. Modern AI is most effective when trained to interpret engineering context rather than simply generating text. H2Hub's AI Advisor evaluates project configurations, analyzes technical assumptions, compares alternative designs, and identifies opportunities for optimization using engineering-focused workflows. Instead of providing generic answers, the system helps users explore project feasibility, improve financial outcomes, and strengthen engineering decisions with structured recommendations. AI becomes a collaborative engineering assistant capable of accelerating project evaluation while supporting professional expertise. Hydrogen infrastructure evolves through many stages, from early feasibility studies and conceptual design to financing, construction, commissioning, and long-term operation. H2Hub provides a unified workspace where project teams can manage this entire journey within one connected environment. Engineering models, financial analyses, project documentation, global intelligence, and AI recommendations remain linked throughout development. This continuity improves collaboration, reduces duplicated effort, and helps maintain consistent decision-making from the earliest project concept through commercial operation. The hydrogen economy involves far more than engineers alone. Developers, technology suppliers, investors, consultants, utilities, government agencies, manufacturers, universities, and research organizations all depend on reliable technical information. H2Hub is designed to support this entire ecosystem by providing shared access to engineering knowledge, project intelligence, equipment databases, market information, financial analytics, and AI-powered insights. Bringing diverse stakeholders onto a common platform encourages better collaboration while improving communication across every stage of hydrogen project development. Hydrogen is becoming a truly global industry where innovation often depends on collaboration across countries, disciplines, and organizations. H2Hub creates a digital environment where engineering intelligence, technical expertise, project data, and industry knowledge can be shared more effectively. Instead of isolated teams working independently, professionals gain access to a connected ecosystem designed to accelerate learning, improve engineering quality, reduce project uncertainty, and support the successful deployment of hydrogen infrastructure around the world. The platform ultimately serves as a foundation for building smarter projects and a stronger hydrogen economy. Finding the right project is the first step toward meaningful analysis. Using H2Hub's interactive global project database, users can search by country, technology, developer, production capacity, or project status. Whether evaluating a green hydrogen facility in Australia, an ammonia export terminal in the Middle East, or an industrial decarbonization project in Europe, every project is presented within a consistent engineering framework. Instead of manually collecting information from multiple sources, engineers gain immediate access to structured technical data that supports faster screening, comparison, and informed project selection. Once a project is selected, H2Hub opens a detailed engineering dashboard that brings together the technical information needed for deeper evaluation. Users can review electrolyzer technology, installed capacity, expected hydrogen production, renewable energy integration, water requirements, storage systems, compression equipment, project developers, and infrastructure layouts. Rather than reading disconnected reports, the entire project is visualized through an integrated engineering interface that helps users understand how individual systems work together. This systems-level perspective allows engineers, developers, and investors to evaluate projects with greater confidence and technical clarity. Every hydrogen project carries technical, financial, and operational risks that can significantly influence long-term performance. Electricity pricing, renewable resource availability, water supply, policy incentives, carbon intensity, financing assumptions, and equipment performance all affect project economics. H2Hub allows users to evaluate these variables through scenario analysis and sensitivity modeling, showing how changes in key assumptions impact project outcomes. Instead of relying on fixed estimates, engineers can test multiple scenarios, identify potential weaknesses, and strengthen project resilience before major investment decisions are made. No hydrogen project exists in isolation. Every new development can benefit from lessons learned across the global industry. H2Hub enables users to benchmark one project against similar facilities worldwide by comparing technology choices, production capacity, electrolyzer efficiency, renewable integration, capital investment, operating costs, and overall project performance. These side-by-side comparisons reveal industry trends, highlight best practices, and identify opportunities for improvement. By learning from successful projects, organizations can reduce uncertainty, improve engineering decisions, and accelerate the deployment of competitive hydrogen infrastructure. After analyzing technical specifications, financial assumptions, market conditions, and benchmark data, H2Hub's AI Project Advisor provides intelligent recommendations designed to improve overall project performance. The platform can identify optimization opportunities, suggest alternative technology pathways, evaluate economic trade-offs, highlight potential engineering risks, and recommend strategies for increasing efficiency or reducing costs. Rather than replacing engineering judgment, AI enhances decision-making by rapidly processing complex datasets that would otherwise require significant manual effort. The result is a faster, more informed approach to developing bankable and technically robust hydrogen projects. Hydrogen projects increasingly involve teams working across different companies, countries, and disciplines. Process engineers, mechanical specialists, financial analysts, project developers, equipment suppliers, and researchers must collaborate while sharing accurate technical information. H2Hub creates a connected engineering workspace where project intelligence, technical documentation, AI insights, and engineering analyses remain synchronized for every stakeholder. Instead of exchanging disconnected spreadsheets and reports, project teams collaborate through one integrated digital environment, improving communication, reducing duplication, and accelerating project development from concept through operation. The hydrogen economy depends on collaboration between many different organizations. Governments establish policy, developers build projects, EPC contractors design facilities, manufacturers supply equipment, investors evaluate financial performance, universities conduct research, and utilities integrate new energy systems. H2Hub connects these diverse stakeholders through a common engineering platform where technical knowledge, project intelligence, market data, financial tools, and AI-powered analysis are available within a unified environment. By bringing the entire ecosystem together, the platform encourages better decisions, stronger partnerships, and more successful hydrogen projects worldwide. As hydrogen deployment expands across every continent, access to reliable information becomes increasingly valuable. H2Hub is designed to become a global engineering intelligence network where thousands of hydrogen projects, technologies, manufacturers, engineering resources, market trends, and technical insights are continuously connected. Instead of navigating fragmented information sources, professionals gain access to a living knowledge ecosystem that evolves alongside the hydrogen industry. This connected network enables faster learning, more accurate analysis, and stronger engineering decisions as the global hydrogen economy continues to grow. The future of hydrogen will be shaped by intelligent engineering supported by advanced digital technologies. Artificial intelligence, digital twins, predictive analytics, integrated engineering databases, and collaborative cloud platforms are transforming how infrastructure is designed, evaluated, financed, and operated. H2Hub brings these capabilities together into a single engineering environment where complex decisions become faster, more transparent, and better informed. As hydrogen projects become larger and more sophisticated, engineering intelligence will become one of the industry's most valuable assets, enabling organizations to develop cleaner, safer, and more efficient energy systems. Hydrogen represents far more than a new energy source. It represents a new generation of industrial infrastructure that requires better engineering decisions at every stage of development. H2Hub was created to provide the intelligence needed to support those decisions by connecting global project data, engineering knowledge, financial analysis, market intelligence, technology databases, and AI-assisted expertise within one integrated platform. Whether you're an engineer, developer, investor, researcher, consultant, or policymaker, the goal remains the same: build smarter hydrogen projects, reduce uncertainty, accelerate innovation, to help shape the future of the global hydrogen economy.